Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has praised overseas Pakistanis, calling them the nation's greatest ambassadors. Speaking at the Overseas Pakistanis Global Foundation Convention, he assured that his government is committed to resolving their problems. He highlighted a 30% increase in remittances due to their hard work, announced the revival of the Green Channel, and emphasized securing their investments and properties. Referring to terrorism, the Prime Minister blamed past policies for its resurgence and vowed its complete eradication. Zaheer Akhtar Mehr, chairman of Overseas Pakistanis Global Foundation, thanked the Prime Minister, saying, "We overseas Pakistanis stand with Pakistan. Our motto is first the state, then politics. We will counter fake news and work alongside national institutions." With overseas Pakistanis playing a crucial role in Pakistan's economy, the government is now set to recognize their contributions like never before.